Okay, so according to someone that knows about drills, he said to me to charge it for 48 hours and see how we go. It's been about that. I'm not going to bother any longer. It hasn't charged. It went red, the charger, and then it just turned off. It's not green or anything. So it hasn't charged. So most likely we'll need a charger and a battery. If not just a battery for that to work, according to the expert's opinion. So the carvers are pretty much basically the same thing. They're not charging up. They've had it. They only, you can buy a new one for about $25 each. This was about 15 years ago. So now it may be a little bit more expensive, but it's not too much. Thanks for watching. And something that didn't turn out, like I said, I'm not an engineer or a mechanic person. I'm a woodwork person. So we'll give it a go. We have to try to get a new battery and see how we go with that. If I ever do get a new battery and a charger, I don't know, but if I do, it may work. Okay, so thanks for watching. Take care, and God be with you all.